my pass-through, so I can pull that out. Hey, g'day everyone. Another little, not that you'd call it a hack, but another little upgrade doing to inside the ute anyway is my XRS unit. This is kind of a forced one. I had the little flow-through adapter here failed on me. I don't know why, but it lives underneath the dash. Might have got some air conditioner moisture in it or something, but it's failed. So you've got a cord going from your box to this, and then this out to the hand unit. Now this happened on the last trip away. Fault finding, I found out that this was faulty. So instead of buying another one of these or sending back for a warranty return, I went and bought a pass-through. Now, if you've got an Amarok or any of the other cars, you can get the switches. So if you've got switches like these on your dashboard, where are we? Down here. So you get switches like these on your dashboard, you can replace them with a pass-through and plug your unit straight into them. But with the Amarok you can't buy them. So I went out and I bought one of these. Now this one I'm going to retrofit into one of the cigarette lighter points. Now I'll show you where they are on the Amarok. I'll take one out and replace with this, and then I'll show you what to do. So you see here, so I've got the unit out so I can do my wiring and stuff like that. So I'll just sit it over there for now. So I've got one here and one there. I'm going to take one of them out and put one of those pass-throughs in. So I'll let you know how we go. Let's see if this 10-minute job takes 4 hours. Rightio, so what we've got here is the hand unit, which I'm going to unplug. And by putting the pass-through unit, now this is already fallen over, so we'll just leave that there. So putting the pass-through unit in one of these sockets here means that I can take the hand unit out, put it in the glove box, or hide it in different situations. So I've never pulled this part of the dash out before, but we're going to see how hard it is to remove. So as per usual, get the right tools and see what happens. So yes. Wow, that apparently was pretty hard. So yes, it just pops up. Now, which one do I want to take out? Probably just the 12-volt one. Maybe I need to use better tools. Okay, so that comes out like that. Now, let's see. Let's screw all that up. looks good. It does look good. So you'll see here. So there. And before I clip this all down, I'm going to start the car. See how hot that. Drive. Road. So that all works. So now we've just got to get this end of this. This end of this. And get this end of this. Plug it into there. Turn it on.
Everybody's taking a chance.
Pushed it all the way in. Radio check, please. Thank you. Rightio. So we'll put that all down there to wire up under there. Now you've got this side here, so my hand unit and my pass-through, so I can pull that out at any time, put that away so nobody can see it. Pretty cool. So you can see here it's nice and neat now. Took a little bit to get that in. I had to pull the whole gear knob off to get the one clip back in, but that was my fault. So looks nice and neat, and of course I can remove that by unplugging that, putting that whole unit there. I can move it all, put it in the glove box or whatever and lock it away. All I've got to do is plug that back in when I get back in the car. Out of sight, out of mind.